So today we'll be opening the newest series, Pokemon Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. As I said in the other video, can't wait to see what's inside. If you saw our other video, you would know that we got this Pokemon, another duplicate, and another duplicate. Reverse Hollow. I can't believe I actually got this. Got a V. If you saw in our binder opening, you saw we got a V Max. Can't wait to add that to the collection. And last but not least, another trainer. Oh, and another. Thought that was the last one. And a code. Hope you like this unboxing. Can't wait to open up the next one after doing 2 videos. Hope this is gonna be a blast.